Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. As I promised, or this Excel. Now we are treating question paper 23 May 2022. And then we go straight to Excel. By the way, how are you doing? I hope you are fine with your new lecturer. Yeah. Let's just go down. Yes, to the spreadsheet. No. Okay. First, they say retrieve the student, so that has been saved in your computer folder. So, which is fine, it's already retrieved. I have it, but I will send it to you. Then I'll just keep most of the instruction. I'll go straight to number 4. And then it says on the existing worksheet final mark insert the pivot table. Even this one, I'm going to leave it. You see, we are talking about this tip. Then I'm going to leave all the instruction and start with number 8, then I'll come back so that you can understand what you're talking about. This is the sheet that they said we must retrieve. First of all, adjust the column so that the formula can fit. Yes, a little bit wider. Okay, thank you. Now we go back on letter A. You can check. They say calculate the semester mark, the assignment contribute 20%, the formal test 30%, and the internal test 50%. First of all, you have to, the letter indicates where are you going to put your formula. We check letter A, it's on semester mark, which is fine. And then we go. Then we are going to click on equal sign. Right, and then we are going to say equal sign, open bracket, then you click assignment, then you check the question paper. They said the assignment contributes 20%. You say times 20%, you type it 20%, then you say close brackets, you say plus, then again you say open brackets, then you click a formal test, then multiply by, they said you contribute 30%, you just type 30%, then you close brackets, then you say plus again, open brackets, and you say internal, they said it's contributing 50%, just type, sorry, you just say times 50%, close bracket. Now this is your formula. After that you press enter, and then you gonna drag it. But sometimes when you drag it, it will give you an NA or hashtag what, then they say we must convert it to a percentage. It's fine like this. After that you decrease this sharp, but make sure each column is visible. Now we come to the initials, then we go back. We are going to check initials. The instruction of initials, it says calculate the initials, use the correct formula to insert 2 initials of the student. First of all, you need to check the initials. Now the formula that you are going to use, you must check whether your initials are in left hand side or right hand side. Your only focus must be on that column of student. You check, does your surname fall under left? Does your initial falls under right? You have to know. Now our initials are in right hand side. Why? Because if we can check, each and everything that we type start at left, which means Chinese on the left hand side and TM is on the right hand side. Then how do we do that? We are going to say equal sign. Then since our initials are at the right hand side, you are going to type write in capital letters and open brackets. Then you click here, alright, and then you are going to use this comma, and then you say 2. Remember the initials are 2, and then you close bracket. Someone may ask, why are we saying 2 while else other have 1 initials? 2 is for all the people that have 2 initials. If you have 1, it will show us only 1 initials. You see, we have T. It will only show us T even though we put 2. The other one that I want you to be aware of is this comma. Sometimes this comma on your computer, it might give you a hashtag value or something, or that it can say formula is incorrect, but you don't do anything, you don't just panic. Some it will work, some it will not work. If this a comma doesn't work, you are going to use a normal comma. You are going to use a normal comma, but for my computer, I'm not sure if it will agree. You see, this is a normal comma. I press, yeah, it will show something like this. Then you know the only thing you need to change is comma. Please bear in mind, you need to know the correct comma. If it show you something like this, you need to change your comma. Okay, I'm just gonna go back and cancel and use the correct comma. I press enter, it gives me the initials. To save the time, I just drag it, you see. Then we go to gender character, which is letter C. Calculate the gender character using the correct formula. Then you just go check C. Okay, C, you see C. Then we go here. Then they say our gender character. Then remember, character is a 1 letter. So we need to know, first of all, we need to identify which column is it. Is it the column on the right hand side, or the column is it on the left hand side, before you can start calculating. If you can check, our column still at left. Some may be confused, but it's left because all our information is on left and it doesn't have comma or anything on the right hand side, so it's just left. So how are we going to do it? We are going to say equal sign, we type left, then you click here the gender and the comma. Mind you, the comma might be different on different computers. And then they say character, meaning we have to use 1, so that they need, if it's a female, it is going to be F, and if it's a male, it's going to be M. That's why we are using 1. If they said 2, we are going to use 2, but now they said character is 1. Then we close bracket, then we say enter. Then I'm gonna drag it Leona. You see, this is how we do it. Then we continue with D. Let's go and check letter D instruction. They say use a formula to number the student in column A. Very well, then here we are, this is column A. Then when you get here, you need to understand they have already calculated you for 1. So obviously what comes in your mind is this: we need to number these people, we need to know how many people are there. You understand? So now how do we calculate? They have already given 1, meaning every answer you're going to get here, you're going to plus it by 1. Okay, we're going to say equal sign 1, that is already there, plus 1. You say enter, is gonna give you 2. Then I'm just gonna drag it because I'm saving time so that this recording doesn't lock me out. You see, is a number of people. Remember guys, each and everything you calculate, it has formula so that you can see. Now we are done. Okay, sorry, we are done with this number 8. Now we go back to, come on right now, we go back to number 4. Okay, on the existing worksheet final mark, insert the pivot table from cell B13 to E21 using the following data. Before we can just go to that, we need to check B13 to B13 is here, and E21, you're just gonna highlight this. Then they've already told you which formula you're going to use. Filter axis category, you're going to use students, values, assignment, formal test, and internal. Display the total number. Okay, then here we go. Then we're going to click insert. Then you're going to go to pivot chart. Then you're going to click pivot table. So after this table pop up, you soon are gonna highlight all these. You see all these? Yes, and then you press OK. So the information will pop. Yes. Then before we continue, you go back. You see the instruction barely you must use assignment, formal test, internal, and students. Then when you get here, you tick student. After you tick student, you tick assignment. After assignment, you tick formal test. After formal test, you tick internal. Then you are done with the pivot table. Okay, let me untick it so that you can understand it better. Like I said, after you click pivot table, it will give you something like this. Then you remember the instruction. You click student, assignment, formal test, and okay, then you are done. So you click on this and you say delete. Click on this, you delete, or only thing that matters is this one. Then you go again to the instruction, you check. Remember you did it. We are going to number 5. They say insert a sparkling line for trainee marks in cell 14. Then you go back, you check. No, F14, not just 14. F14, you could check it. F14 here. Then they said insert masuka watu wanaoso. Then you must then you click insert. After insert, if you can check here, maybe my computer will be different from yours. You see, you can check the sparkling. You have to choose. You have to choose the sparkling. We're going to check the instructions. They say line. So when we get here, you click line. You see, it will give you a data range. Remember, we need the marks of training, so we're gonna highlight from assignment up until internal. Then you press OK. That's the line. Instruction number 6. Insert the power column sparkling line marks for Kunene in F17. You go to F17. Then you click insert column. You check Kunene. This is Kunene. You highlight them in data range. Yes. Then you click OK. Then instruction number 7. Insert win-lose sparkling line for Kalakala in F19. and you go to F19, okay, and insert win lose. You check color here, you highlight, okay, and then you say okay. Now that's it. Thereafter we are going to instruction number 8, no sorry, 9. Use the generated pivot table and insert a line graph to compare the marks for assignment, formal test and internal for all students. Insert the graph in G12 to L21. You say G12. Where is that G12? L21. Okay. Yes, and they said, oh, I must go back here. And then we're going to click here. And then we say here. We say pivot table. Remember they said the generated one, meaning is this one. We're going to highlight it. Then you say okay. Then they needed we must check the instruction. Okay, the instruction said compare for all students. Okay, very well. Then we are going to click this one, this one, this one, and this one. So now we need to go to, what did they say, a line graph. Remember a line graph. Now we are going to, you don't go anywhere else, you are still here in pivot table. I'm just gonna need, okay, after that you in pivot tools, yes, you click design, you say change chart type, you go to combo, then here you're going to tick line, you see, yeah, but you're only going to tick one, this one, so that you can know what's going on, you see, so that you just press OK, then you close this one, yes, and this must be removed, yes. After that you drag this thing here, this here, yes, and then this is how you do Excel. And I think we are done. If there's any question, you'll just let me know more WhatsApp. Yes, let me just pause the video and I will see you soon. Yeah, the other question paper will do it. Yeah, so just need time so that you can go through them during your Easter holidays. Thank you. Have a blessed day.